Hey guys, welcome to a video, and we're going to just play outside on our own. It's gonna be coughing a lot in this video, so just to let you guys know. Let's get on to the video. Okay, let's play on the swings alone. So guys, I just got brother to join me. He's also gonna cough, so let's continue. Okay. Cool. You're in the video with me. Nice.
Wrong here.
Okay, let's not swing too fast.
Oh, God. This is at least terrifying.
Yeah, that is kind of terrifying when you're gonna get scared that bad.
Oh! I'm not even swinging. I'm just swinging.
Whee!
Why am I a little bit higher when oh, God.
What's this?
Problems happening again. A little bit of problems happening.
Woo!
Oh, my God.
I'm
Lily, be
spinning
very
like
careful with this.
crazy.
Oh, God.
This is what happens on my swing.
Ah!
I'm spinning in a circle.
I'm gonna rock it.
Hold on, guys. Ah.
Stop.
Hold on. Okay, I got it to work. Okay.
Wait, don't even. We're going at the same time. Yeah.
No, we're not going the same way. Let's go to the trampoline next.
I won.
It's not a race, though. But it was kind of fun. Be careful.
But here's a good against it.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Just gonna see the ground for a second. I'm getting up now. On. It's fun with someone else to play with. Whoa. Whoa. God. Hold on. Sorry, guys.
Is it this?
I had like something like this in my sock, and that almost stabbed me.
Let me get rid of this.
But luckily it didn't, because I realized that was so
I'll
close.
get rid of it, guys.
Yeah,
I got rid of it.
Yeah. Now let's continue. Jump!
Yay!
Woo! Jump. Buddy. Ho. Woo! Okay, just to make sure nothing's in my socks. Luckily there wasn't as much, so let's continue.
Oh my God.
Okay, there's still one more area to check out.
Ah!
Whoa, be careful there. Alright. Yeah, we're going to the next place now. Here we go. Final area. Here we are. The last area. Normally where our cat is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is that midnight? That is midnight. That is midnight. That's my kitty right there.
Don't get distracted, okay?
That's my kitty right there.
Don't even think about getting distracted.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. I saw midnight.
This is water blast gun.
Guys, I saw midnight. What is that? What are you doing? But I just midnight.
Can you
I
show
was
the
in
gun
here,
to
so-
them?
Sorry about that, guys. Cough. Baby, midnight's over there. But we can't see my dad right now. Because we gotta move on. Let's go.
Can we go to the next place?
There is no other place.
What? Can we make like a story about that gun?
Yeah. Maybe one video we could do that.
Can we do a next video after? Can we just end it here?
Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna end it here. So guys, goodbye.
That's when to make the story.
I hope we get up to like 4,000 likes or like 10,000. 4,000. 4,000 is the best. I think we should get to 4,000. Please help us get to 4,000 likes. And if you haven't seen a video by me, please consider subscribing and hitting that little bell to get notified for when I make videos. And I will see you guys next time.
I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one. The green one.
Are you going to say bye?
Bye. Peace. Oh, just peace.